Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sini Septiani Pratiwi, I class PBI 2A. I will explain about the title Material Exploring Cognitive Mechanism and Implication for Language Teaching. Slide 1. Introduction to Second Language Acquisition. SLA is the process of learning a language other than one's native language. Important. Understanding cognitive process enhances language learning effectiveness. Key insight: SLA present unique challenges and intricacies, particularly with language like English. So, SLA or second language acquisition is simply the process of learning a language that isn't your first language. Understanding how your brain learns or cognitive process is key to becoming a more effective language learner. Learning a second language, especially a complex one like English, comes with its own set of difficulties and complexities. Slide 2. Cognitive process in second language. Memory system. Distinction between short-term and long-term memory. Memory. We use both short-term memory or holding information briefly and long-term memory or storing information for later use to learn new words, grammar, and pronunciation. Cognitive load. The mental effort required to learn new language element. Cognitive load. Learning a language requires mental effort. The more complex the language, the more mental effort or cognitive load it demands. Knowledge transfer, positive and negative transfer from the first language. Effect learning language transfer. Our first language influence how we learn a second language. Sometimes this is helpful, positive or positive transfer, and sometimes it can create problem or negative transfer. For example, if the grammar of your first language and second language are very similar, you may find it easier to learn the second language or positive transfer. However, if the grammar is very different, it can be more challenge or negative transfer. Knowledge transfer, the process of applying knowledge from the first language to the second language. Benefit: provide a familiar framework for new language concept. And then challenge can lead to interference, causing error in language use. So when learning a second language, we often rely on what we already know from our first language. This can be helpful because it provides a familiar foundation for understanding new concepts. However, sometimes our first language can get in the way, leading to mistakes in the second language. This is called interference. Linguistic mechanism. Phonological awareness, ability to recognize and manipulate sound in language. Phoneme, the small sound unit that differentiate meaning in English. Important, essential for accurate pronunciation and comprehension in language learning. So, phonological awareness is the skill of understanding and working with the sound of language. This include recognizing and manipulating phoneme, which are the small unit of sound that change a word meaning, or like the difference between B and P in bed on pet. Good phonological awareness is crucial for correctly pronouncing and understanding a language. Morphology and syntax. Morphology, study of word structure and meaningful component. Syntax, rules governing the arrangement of word in sentence. Important, essential for constructing grammatically correct and coherent communication. So, morphology is the study of how words are built and what Their part mean. Syntax is the set of rules that dictate how words are arranged to form sentence. Understanding both morphology and syntax is essential for speaking and writing correctly and clearly. Strategies to enhance SLA: immersion, sharding one step with the target language for effective learning. Immersion, the best way to learn is by sharding your step with the language as much as possible. Technology use, leveraging language learning apps for practice and feedback. Technology, language learning apps can provide valuable practice and feedback. Active engagement, encouraging participants in diverse language activities for deeper understanding. So actively participating in various language activities help you understand the language better. Pragmatic skill, ability to use language effectively in social context. Important, essential for understanding context. Essential for understanding context, intention, and cultural norm. Outcome, enhance meaningful interaction and reduce misunderstanding in communication. So, communicative competence means being able to use a language effectively in real life situation. This is important because it helps you understand the context of conversation, the speaker intention, and cultural norm. The result is better communication in fewer misunderstanding. Leveraging technology, interactive tools, use of language learning apps for practice and feedback. Accessibility, technology makes language learning more engaging and convenient. Convention, metacognition encourage learner to reflect on their learning process and adjust strategies. So, language learning apps offer interactive tools that provide practice and feedback, making learning more engaging and accessible. This tool also encourage learner to think about how they are learning and adjust their approach as needed. Metacognition. Overview of cognitivism, a learning theory that views learning as active processor of information. Key principle: active engagement with material, emphasis on mental process, importance of problem solving and critical thinking, educational for SELA, encourage effective teaching strategies that foster deeper understanding. So, cognitive learning theory sees language learner as active participants who actively process information. It emphasizes active engagement with the material, focusing on mental process like problem solving and critical thinking. This means that effective teaching should focus on strategies that help learning develop a deeper understanding of the language. Historical context of SLA theory's behaviorist approach focus on conditioning and reinforcement. Pavlov, Skinner, behaviorism. This approach focused on how we learn through repetition and reward. Cognitive approach emphasize on mental process and social interactive or Piaget and Wittgenstein. So this approach emphasizes the role of mental process and social interaction in learning. Evolution there have shaped current practice in language acquisition and teaching. Cognitive theory in SLA, learner actively construct knowledge through experience. Key principle: importance of problem solving, emphasize on discovery learning, implication for teaching, encourage method that promote exploration and reflection in language learning. Constructivism is a learning theory that emphasizes that learners actively create their own understanding to experience. It highlights the importance of problem solving and discovery learning. This means that effective teaching methods should encourage exploration and reflection in the learning process. First versus second language acquisition. First language or L1 natural immersive process in a rich linguistic environment. Second language L2 often involves formal instruction more like immersion. Implication: understanding this difference help tailor teaching strategy for effective language learning. So, learning a first language L1 is a natural process that happens through immersion in a language-rich environment, and then learning a second language L2, however, often involves formal interaction and may lack the same level of immersion. Recognize this difference is key to developing effective teaching strategy for L2 learner. Implication of cognitive theory: enhanced teaching strategies informed by understanding cognitive process. Active engagement encourages learner to participate actively in the learning. Effective method: use of problem-based learning and cognitive strategy to improve language acquisition. So, cognitive theory of learning have led the better teaching method. Understanding how the brain learn have create the lesson that actively engage student and use problem solving and adapt cognitive strategy to improve language acquisition. Challenge in SLA: common issue, lack of motivation can hinder language process, frustrating difficulty with grammar and vocabulary. Implication for educator: addressing this challenge with supporting strategies can enhance the learning experience. So, common challenges in learning a second language include a lack of motivation and frustration with grammar and vocabulary. Educators need to use supportive strategy to help learner overcome these difficulties. So, in conclusion, understanding cognitive process in second language acquisition (SLA) is essential for developing effective effective teaching strategies that enhance learner engagement and outcome. By integrating cognitive theories into language instruction, educator can better support learner in overcoming challenges such as motivation and cognitive load, ultimately fostering a more effective and enriching language learning experience. So that's all. That's all my explanation about the material. Thank you for the nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.